Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Play Store something went wrong. Authentication is required. You need to sign in your Google account problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting and scroll down. Click on app management. Tap on app list. Scroll down. Click on Play Store. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Storage. Tap on Delete. Play Store problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.